How to perform a breast examination. Check your breast once a month or a few days after your period. In the mirror, look for changes in size, shape, or skin. Raise your arms and check for dimpling, swelling, and nipple changes. Use your finger pads in small circles over your breast, armpit, and collarbone. Apply light, medium, and firm pressure. Know what's normal for you so you can spot changes early. See a doctor if you notice any of these: a lump or thickening in your breast or armpit, change in size, shape, and skin texture, nipple inversion or discharge, pain, redness, rash, or swelling. If something feels off, don't wait. Visit your doctor or clinic. Early check saves lives.